Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Programming. So in the Selenium WebDriver with Java series, uh, we have covered the in the last video setup and instruction. अगर आपने ये वीडियो नहीं देखी तो मैं इसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में देता हूँ. So to execute the Selenium application, we have to install some IDE and Java, and we have to set some environment variable. So let's start for the to execute first application using Java. So in this video we will cover the application for Chrome driver. For that we have to download the Chrome driver. Click on the link. Firstly we have to do some like if in the Chrome help and about the Chrome Google Chrome. Check the your Google Chrome version, but it's like don't consider the last build version. Consider this one, like one. I have 104.0. So in the download Selenium download page, you will get platform supported by Selenium. Click on browsers and click on Chrome. Click on documentation and click on the relevant version. Like I don't now I don't consider like last, like I have 80 and here is 79. It will work on, so download it. Chrome driver for Windows Win32. So open Eclipse, like I'll give name to Selenium tutorials. So this is Eclipse welcome page. Close it and here go to the file new. So Java project. So here Java project is not coming. Like we have to some set the property. Like we have to go in the Windows and perspective and select Java. So then files, go to the new and Java project. I'll give Selenium. I will select Java 1.8. Next. So to execute Selenium application, we have to download some. In the last video, we have downloaded the Selenium WebDriver. So we have to go in the project, right click on that, build path and configure build path. In that, go to the library, and in that we have to some add some external jars. So I have already downloaded it. So select all, open, and in the lib folder you will get also jar files. Select on, open, then apply and close. So here I will create a new package and class. I'll give package name as Selenium dot demo. Selenium first application. Okay. So in that we will require the main method. I'll select the main method and then finish. So in the main method, we will going to add some code. Firstly, we have to some set the property like system dot set property to execute the Chrome. Like if you want to execute the uh, Selenium on the Chrome driver, we have to set some property. In that, we have to give the driver name, web driver, like we have using WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. If you are using Firefox and Safari, Opera, IE, so you have to change like according to your requirement. In that, recently we have downloaded uh, the Chrome driver. We have to give the path of Chrome driver here like this. Then we have to create WebDriver instance. WebDriver driver is equal to new. Like we have to open the Chrome driver, Chrome in the Chrome browser. You have to mention the like Chrome browser. Import the packages. Also WebDriver can use a shortcut like shift shift control O that will input the all packages. Then like, when we open the browser, it will uh, it will open in the minimize browser window. Like it, we have to maximize it like driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot I'll add comment here. Open the URL, maximize the window. Creating driver instance. Setting driver property. There is a method driver dot get. You have to pass the any URL. I'll go to the google.com. I'll copy it and here and here I'll wait for the some time like we have thread dot sleep like it's manual wait. It will us to for the millisecond like I'm adding the 5 seconds, so it will wait for the 5 second. I'm adding the exception and finally I will close the driver. I'll add comment here, close the driver, manual wait for 5 seconds. So right click on your Java class and run as a Java application. So it will open the window, open the URL google.com and it will wait for the 5 seconds and it will close the window. Yeah. we have successfully executed the first application. So that's it in the this video. So in the next video we will cover, like in this video we have covered for the Chrome browser. In the next video we will cover for the Firefox, IE and Microsoft Edge. So see you in the next video.